Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google contacts to your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Google contacts to Pipedrive CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that efficiency is key, and by adding your Google contacts into Pipedrive, you don't have to do it manually. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Pipedrive account. Now, in order to get to this page right here, Contact Sync, what you're going to need to do is click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Company Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see this menu in gray off to the left, and you want to look for this button here, Contact Sync. Once you do that, they're going to give you a little bit of information about syncing your Google contacts with Pipedrive. And what you want to do is click on this green Add New Account button. Okay, so here you're going to go ahead and enter in your Gmail to the account that you want to share your contacts with. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen and then click on Continue. Okay, next Google opens up a browser and it's going to ask you which Google account you want to share your contacts with. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so next Google lets you know Pipedrive is requesting this particular information here. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next Google lets you know Pipedrive CRM is going to have these permissions. Also, you need to check this box right here, and that allows Pipedrive to see, edit, download, and permanently delete your contacts if that's something you requested. So click on Continue. Okay, next you're going to have a couple of decisions to make. So here you want the sync direction to be one-way or two-way. Also, if you've grouped your contacts, you can go ahead and click here and then choose the group of contacts that you would like to share inside CRM with your Pipedrive. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Start Syncing. Okay, next you're going to get this pop-up. Are you sure you want to enable Contact Sync for your Google account? If you're okay with that, click on Enable Contact Sync. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and then you're going to be able to see which contacts have been added. So you can see that today we've added 8 contacts to my Google account. And actually, as we're talking, it's added 11. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google contacts to your Pipedrive CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.